Yes people, welcome to our exclusive unboxing of the Medicom Toy X Nike SB Dunk rBrick. But before we get into the shoe, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button and check out the soulsupply.co.uk, sign up, turn on release reminders, and that way you will never miss a drop. So as you can tell, I'm back in the studio and I'm so happy because you haven't just got a white background, you've got something nice going on in the background for a change. But this shoe is an absolute banger. Shout out to Flatspot for sending it over early. They will be going live with their raffle tonight, which is this Thursday. It should be going out tonight. So this shoe is completely covered in pony hair and it reminds me of the 24 Colates X Diodora collab that released back in the day. And look, oh, go like this. It's like you're stroking a pony or a dog. Unbelievable, sheep. It's like you're stroking a pony or a dog. I mean, that's what you want in your footwear, don't you? You want to stroke your foot. So if people come up to you and like look at you a bit funny, it's probably because they want to stroke your toes. It's a bit strange still. So these ones will be retailing at £110 and they will be dropping this coming Saturday, the 22nd of August, but predominantly through raffles. So it's taken on the classic silhouette of the Nike SB Dunk, not the classic Dunk where it's got the thinner tongue. No, this one is double padded. Look at this. Ooh, cushioning for when you're trying to do some ollie and kickflip. Shout out to all my skaters out there. Wish I could skate. Maybe you can give me a lesson. But these will predominantly be dropping through raffles. It's going to be a myth to cop, and the resale on them, you will be making a pretty penny as per usual. But make sure you're wearing your kicks because no one likes resellers. Don't do it. If you do want to try and cop a pair of these, I will leave a link in the description as per usual for a full list of raffles, but it will be a mythological cop and they are well worth it in my opinion. I won't be copying because I'm going for the JJ Jammed New Balance. What a shoe that is. What are you copying this week? Let me know in the comments below, but this has been the Medicom Toy X Nike SB Dunk and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. See ya!